Important 5 secrets of fat burning. If you want to quickly get rid of fat in your body, use these tips. They will definitely help you. 1. Remember fats. If you are of the opinion that you have enough of your fats and you do not need fat from food, you have no chance to lose weight. Fats for girls are the basis of nutrition. The whole body and the meaning of life lies in fats. It is fats that are responsible for the hormonal system, for the beauty, condition of the skin, hair and nails. Vegetable fats must be present in the diet. Fats give us a feeling of fullness, including when we eat salad or a serving of vegetables. A minimum of 2 tablespoons of fat per day and a serving of 5% cottage cheese should be present in the diet. 2. Eat at night. How strange it sounds. The whole paradox is that all night the body also works as it does during the day. Therefore, he needs amino acids to maintain all functions. Where can he get amino acids if we are hungry? Only from own muscles. Then the question is, why do we grow our muscles if we lose them in a dream? Here is the answer to the question: is it necessary to eat at night? 3. Drink cool water. One study from Germany shows that drinking 2 glasses of cold water can increase your metabolic rate by 30%. Scientists have suggested that this is due to the increase in norepinephrine caused by water. Another study showed that those who drink 2 cups of water between meals of food, also eat less food and lose another 5 pounds in 12 weeks than those who don't drink that much water between meals. From 4. Do not forget about fruits. Fruits are an excellent source of fast carbohydrates. They are also a wonderful sweet to supplement the diet. Cottage cheese with fruits, berries for an afternoon snack. It is tasty, healthy and promotes fat burning. 5. Cereals before training. Many people want to eat sweets before training. After all, fast carbohydrates will also have energy. However, it is better to use cereal in 1.5 to 2 hours for fat burning before training. Croup will not allow sugar levels to rise sharply in the blood, which will save us from diabetes, by the way, and will give us strength for a full training. Tips individually will not be able to help you. However, an integrated approach will do a good job. Always remember that during fat burning, a calorie deficit should remain in the diet. And do not forget about exercise.